Good day guys, you're welcome to Browsingtechzone YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you a detailed information on Binance Copy Trading. So as I've shown you, as I've said in the previous video, if you haven't watched our previous video, go and watch the previous video right now. It explains everything about cryptocurrency trading and how to start trading on Binance and make profit trading cryptocurrency on Binance, everything you need to know and all about that. So in our previous video I promised to show you how to how to do copy trading on Binance. So right now I'm going to be showing you copy trading on Binance, but before I proceed to that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do that right now. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we drop a new video guide, you will get notified. And check the description section of this video to check our past videos about Binance trading so that you won't be left behind. You will at least understand what we've been discussing in the past. So once you watch the video from the beginning to this part, you understand everything and have nothing left to understand about this video and our progress so far. So you're welcome back. So right in this video, as I tell you, I'll be telling you about crypto trading, Binance Copy Trading rather. So Binance Copy Trading is a phenomenon that allows you to trade on Binance without knowledge on technical trading. So in our previous video, I've shown you that you need to understand fully technical trading before you can be able to trade cryptocurrency for profit. But with this copy trading, you don't even need to know technical analysis, and you will be able to trade for profit. So what you need right in this system is startup capital, a capital. That's what you need. Once you have capital, you will be able to trade crypto Binance Copy Trading, and you will be able to make profit from it. So what do I mean by Binance Copy Trading? I think you already understand what trading means. I've explained to you everything about that in our previous video. But copy is the same thing as copy. Copy only have one meaning. And when we're talking about copy trading, you do copy trading as you do copy any other thing. So right now, what I'm trying to say is copy trading involved copying another person's success. So let's say someone is a very brilliant crypto trader, an expert, and etc. like that. All you have to do is to tap from such person analysis and everything, then you use it to trade in your own Binance account and make profit. So right now, what you need to start trading copy trading on Binance is your capital and an expert. So that's where the problem comes. Before you can start doing copy trading on Binance, you will have an expert that do Binance trading for a living, like someone that do this full time. So someone that trade every time, and you will be able to get signals. Let's say it's just as if you are doing forex trading. So forex trading, it involves getting signals and everything like that. So there are a lot of groups that you can join where people will communicate a good buy coin for you and the appropriate time to sell the coin and take profit. So that's where the copy trading comes from. So right now, the only assignment you have to do in order to start copy trading on Binance is to look for someone that is vibrant and very open in terms of Binance trading. So it might be very difficult to see, but immediately you are getting to know a lot of individuals. You have a lot of people that you are viewing your status, and you are viewing their status on WhatsApp. You are joining so much group. You have people that are trading cryptocurrency on Binance, and you can just approach them. Maybe you are checking their status. You can just let your intention known to them, so they will know what you are up to and what you are expecting from them. So but before you take any individual, so right now it's very clear to you that before you start trading copy trading on Binance, you will need a mentor. This mentor is the individuals that will be working, and you will be copying the work. So that means you don't even need to work. All you have to do is to copy another person's work. I think you understand what I'm talking about. This person has already analyzed the market, understand everything, determine the entry point, determine the selling point, and know everything that is doing about the market. So all you have to do is just to copy the sources and apply it to your own account, and then you'll be able to get same success depending on how much you invest on the signal. So let's just take it as releasing signal and getting signals from someone. So right now is how to know the right place and the right person to stick with in getting your signal. So a lot of individuals, they are not even open for you. They will not be open for you, and many individuals, they will only tell you when they are buying some coin. They will not tell you when they are selling. So don't follow this kind of people. The individuals that you will follow is that you should follow is someone that is open enough, that will tell you when to buy a coin, the particular coin to buy, and the appropriate time to sell the coin. And make sure when you are following someone, make sure you are buying the exact coin he is buying. But another effect of this copy trading is risk management. You can't compare the amount of risk you can manage, the amount of risk you can handle with that of the expert. So as there is, I think it's not every time that market will obey a crypto trader expert. So if you are an expert, it doesn't mean that your prediction is going to be true every time. So it's not going to be 100%. So they're going to be up and down. So that's what I'm talking about right here. So immediately you find someone that you can be doing that with. So all you have to do is to keep getting signals from these individuals, and you keep applying it to your account. I think by now you should be able to understand the technical analysis, and how to buy and sell. In our previous video, if you want to watch that, go and do that. I've shown you everything you need to know: how to buy, how to sell, everything about limit order, market order, stop limit, trailing stop, and OCO. So immediately you understand everything about this, all you have to do is to look for a vibrant person, and a crypto trader that is active in trading, and is ready to help you with what he is trading. So immediately you understand what these individuals are trading. When this person analyze the market, so make sure the person understand the market very well. So when the person analyze the market, you are not going to analyze it again. The person has done everything for you. So the person have determined the entry point, the exiting point, and everything. All you have to do is to get the signal and implement it. Let's say the person is buying SHIB at what's current price is 0.00012. So if the person is buying it at this price, then you also buy it at this price. Then you sell your take profit to wherever the person set it to already. But you can just, let's say you want to take small money on the table and leave. Let's say the person said the person predicted that, okay, we are entering the market at 0.000012, and he expects the market to hit 0.00015. You can just set your own take profit to 0.00014. So that means you'll be able to take profit earlier and have some gains in your pocket as at that moment. So I think you understand what I'm talking about. So copy trading is just same thing as copying someone else. So you don't even have to do anything. All you have to do is to be sensitive. Make sure to stick with the person and know when the person is buying and when the person is selling. So that's what you have to understand about Binance Copy Trading. So it's a very simple something. All you have to do is either active someone or an active group where people drop crypto signal, and you fully understand when they are buying and when they are selling. So you must trust this person, because your success or your failure in that trading depends on that individuals that you are getting the signal from. So if the person is not active, is not vibrant enough, so make sure you look for another person that is vibrant enough, so that you won't be losing every time. Make sure you find someone that know what he is doing and how this market works. Then you emulate the person, you copy everything he's doing, and you apply it to your own account, and you make profit without even doing technical analysis about the coin you're about to buy. If the person is buying SHIB, all you have to do is to enter market and buy SHIB for yourself. When the person is selling, you exit the market too, and you sell as soon as possible. So right now I've been able to explain to you what to do and how to do it. So as far as Binance Copy Trading is concerned, so that's what is referred to as Binance Copy Trading, emulating someone, copying someone prediction and implementing it in your own account so as to make profit. And I think you understand what I'm talking about. So right now, all you have to do, if you want to be trading cryptocurrency by yourself, then you have to understand technical analysis, and you should watch our last video, our previous video, and understand fully how technical trading works and how you can enter, exit, and take profit, stop loss, and etc. we've discussed in that previous video. So that is that about that, and this is everything you need to know about copy trading on Binance. If you haven't read our previous video, as I've said, make sure you read it. And after watching this video, if you have any question about Binance Copy Trading, drop it in the comment section of this video, and I'll be glad to provide a response for you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and do have a wonderful day.